Yeah. So do you think you want this Sunday I could come over with you walk if you want?
No, I'm going to Marianne Peters for
Oh,
Jaden's
you're going?
birthday.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Yeah. No problem. We'll figure it out. I hope it starts going down.
I hate this. I only have 40 something left days of fall.
Yeah.
So it's got to be coming near the end.
This is like, it's ridiculous. No, they're like